Hey everyone! Early morning flight, but you are afraid of oversleep? Just like me. Here we got the pro tips. Stay right by the airport. Today we're at the Novotel Melbourne Airport. Just a 5-minute walk to the airport terminal. But when you stay here, the hotel will offer the shuttle bus service, so even less, just 1 minute from the hotel to the terminal. Therefore, it's no stress, no rush. Let's head inside and check it out. So the first thing you notice, the interior design is chic and modern. Clean lines, soft lighting, and the very airport hotel vibe. It feels fresh, no stuffy. You walk in and instantly relax. Like me, I'm on a vacation mode, even it's just for one night. But I feel really good about this hotel. After that, you will spot the bed. Wow, look at this. This is super comfortable. Push pillow, crisp white sheet. After a long day travel, sinking into this, that will be a paradise. And also next morning, I have to catch a very early morning flight. Even though the room isn't huge, but it's smartly equipped. Like, look at this, there's a 2 carton of milk in the mini fridge for your coffee or tea, kettle, cup, and the workstation, you know. And also look at this, there's a full iron and iron board is a surface in the room. A lifesaver for the business traveler or anyone who need to look sharp before boarding, you know. Even though this room faced to the airport, I didn't hear a single noise. The soundproofing is excellent. And the bathroom keep the clean, modern theme. You got a powerful walk-in shower with the great pressure. The water pressure here is so good. You just easy to wake up fast. Separate toilet and the spotless tile. Everything shiny and well maintained here. One last thing I want to share with you, don't forget to check the safe before you leave. I was remember one time I left something valuable at the safe and luckily the hotel called me and afterward I have to ask them to send back through the post office. Wow, it was so panicking. So if you're flying through Melbourne, the Novotel Airport is a smart, comfy, no drama choice, worth every penny to peace of mind. If you have stayed here before, ever forgetting something in the hotel safe, tell me in the comment. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more real travel tips. Safe trip and safe packaging. See you next time. Bye!